When working with Romex wiring, having the right tools can make the job easier, safer, and more efficient. There are both electrical and manual tools available for preparing and connecting Romex. Let's explore some of the most common options. Firstly, the Romex stripper is a specialized tool designed specifically for stripping the outer jacket of Romex cable without damaging the individual conductors inside. These strippers typically have preset blades or adjustable settings to match the size of the Romex cable you are working with. They provide a clean and consistent strip, minimizing the risk of nicking or cutting the insulation on the conductors. Secondly, a multi-tool stripper is a more versatile option that can be used for stripping various types of wires, including Romex. These tools usually have multiple blades or dies for different wire gauges and insulation types. When using a multi-tool stripper for Romex, it's important to select the correct setting to avoid damaging the conductors. Thirdly, a wire stripper with a depth gauge allows you to set the stripping depth precisely. This is particularly useful when you need to strip a specific length of insulation from the conductors. The depth gauge ensures that you consistently remove the correct amount of insulation, resulting in clean and reliable connections. A crimping tool is essential for connecting Romex to outlets, switches, and other electrical components. Crimping creates a secure and reliable connection between the wire and the terminal. When selecting a crimping tool, make sure it is compatible with the type of connectors you are using. A voltmeter or electrical tester is a must-have tool for any electrical work, including working with Romex. It allows you to verify the presence of voltage before working on a circuit, ensuring safe wiring practices. A voltmeter can also be used to check for continuity and identify faulty wiring. In addition to electrical tools, there are also manual tools that can be used for working with Romex. These tools require more skill and precision, but they can be useful in certain situations. A sharp pocket knife can be used to carefully strip the outer jacket of Romex. However, this method requires a great deal of caution to avoid damaging the conductors. It's important to use a sharp blade and make clean, controlled cuts. Scissors can also be used to strip Romex, but it's important to use a pair of scissors that are in good condition and have sharp blades. Make sure to make clean cuts and avoid nicking the conductors. Needle nose pliers can be used to grip and twist the individual conductors of Romex. This can be helpful when making connections or when you need to manipulate the wires in tight spaces. When it comes to a favorite tool for working with Romex, the Romex stripper is a top choice for many electricians and dyers. Its ability to provide consistent and precise stripping, minimizing wire damage and ensuring reliable connections, makes it an invaluable tool for any Romex wiring project. When selecting tools for working with Romex, it's important to choose tools that are appropriate for the task and that you are comfortable using. Always follow safe wiring practices and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Remember to always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical circuits. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Never work on electrical circuits in wet or damp conditions. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you.